On the boat, the sound of long O. See, when it's a long O, you can hear the O. Boat. There's the boat. It's fun to play with boats. Look, it's red and blue and white and a big yellow sail. I wear a coat when I play with boats, because usually boats are on water, so it wears a special coat so it won't get wet. It's a raincoat. Let us play a little joke, he says. Look, he's up to something. He's going to play a little joke. I could put a goat on a boat. Look at that toy boat, a little toy goat. Cute. It's like he has it on the water. Could be a bathtub toy too. A goat on a boat. Oh no! A goat cannot go on this boat. Oh look, no, it turned over. Flipped over, didn't it? There's a goat. I can put a toad on a boat. So you got to try putting a toad on there now. Toad is like a little frog. Looks like a frog. A toad on a boat. Oh no! A toad cannot go on this boat. Oh, nope, flipped over with the toad. That is a funny joke. I love it. So word list: boat, coat, go, goat, joke, no, O, toad. The sound of long O. And for more books and resources, just go to homeschoolforlife.org. Thank you.